just had y'all day one. She been sitting for 21 days. One baby just had. This is my other chicken that bred her. This is the daddy that bred her. What a fine specimen of a rooster. He got frostbite on his comb, but his mama was a Rhode Island Red, and I crossed him with a Old Spanish Gray, and that's what I got. And and he bred her, so I'm gonna see what they two gonna bring. He game and she full-blooded game. She full-blooded Kelso. Something tried to kill her about a year ago. Something caught her head and what was that? Was that one of my? I think that was one of my dogs. That's another one of my hens right there. That's his girl. She Kelso. And all my hens have spurs on them. Mama eating. Let mama chicken eat.